It's come. I can now put the copper ring on the exhaust. Let's get going. Well, that's bloody good. Too wide, isn't it? To fit in the little grooves. Just ain't gonna do it. Just too wide. So that means grinding time. Didn't take a lot off, just a little bit. I ain't gonna touch it. Hot. I lied, didn't I? Let's try again. That doesn't look too pretty. Is that normal? Looks disgusting. There is no copper ring. Well, that'll be explaining why there's loads of smoke bellowing out of it. Give it a bit of a wire brush. I don't know about you. I think that's mental. So I don't have one in me. Let's put it on. I mean, how much difference it's actually going to make, I don't know. But I think because I've been messing about with it, the joint from there to there, probably messed that up and need to do something with that. But anyway, I'm not even going to primary kick it. I'm just going to go for it. Make sure the fuel's on now. Okie dokie. Oh, keep on. Should have done the prime kicks. Oh, nearly. What's going on, man? I can't be asked. I think the battery's dead, to be fairly. So we'll pick this up another time. But anyway, another failed video. Hey! I love it. I really do.
Wow!